Hello everybody, welcome in this new video. Today we're gonna discover together material testing methods. So let's begin. First, let's discover hardness testing. It measures the material's resistance to indentation or scratching. This is the direct reading hardness testing machine, Vickers or Brinell. This is the table height adjustment. This is the activating lever. This is the test component placed on table. This is the indenter. And this is the hardness value reading directly from dial. Let's then discovering Vickers hardness testing. It measures the material's resistance to indentation or scratching. This is the machine. A square pyramid-shaped indenter whose angle is 136 degrees is forced into the specimen. The diagonal length of the indented square is measured. This measurement is taken by a special microscope for accuracy. It's then converted into a Vickers hardness number. Now let's see Brinell hardness testing. It also measures the material's resistance to indentation or scratching. The Brinell hardness test uses a hardened steel or tungsten carbide ball of 10 mm, 5 mm or 1 mm diameter. The diameter of the indentation is measured and it's used to indicate the hardness of the material. Now let's see a sample workshop test of hardness. This is a heavy plunger, a clear airlick tube specimen to be tested, and the steel bar bearing. The plunger is dropped from a 500 mm height on two different materials. The indentations on each test piece are measured. The deeper the indentation, the softer the material. Now passing to other thing, which is it measures a material's toughness. This is the scale to read energy absorbed in breaking the specimen. This is the test specimen held vertically. This is the vise. This is the pendulum. And this one is the start position of the pendulum. The Izod Impact Test, which measures a material toughness. Like you see, this is the vise and this is the specimen and this is the pendulum. The specimen is held vertically in a vise. The notch on the specimen faces the pendulum. The striking energy of the pendulum is 167 joules. Now let's discover Charpy Impact Test. It measures a material toughness. This is the specimen, this is the support, and this is the pendulum. The specimen is held horizontally between two supports. The notch on the specimen faces away from the pendulum. The striking energy of the pendulum is 300 joules. Let's discover finally a sample workshop test about toughness. This is the vise, this is the specimen, this is the tactile material, this is a hammer. Comparative test. The specimen pieces are held vertically in a vise and hit with a hammer. It's important to wear a face shield or goggles and for spectators to stand well back. Brittle materials will fracture and possibly splinter. Passing now to a simple workshop test which measure the deflection. This is the white platform, this is the plunger, this is the specimen, and this is the supports. This is another comparative test. The specimen is placed on the supports. Weights are placed on the platform, pushing the plunger down, causing the specimen to deflect. Specimens can be tested to distraction or their deflection is measured when the same weight is applied to each in turn. Now let's see the tensile testing. It measures a material tensile strength. This is the machine. This is the dial gauge to measure extension of specimen. This is the clamps for holding specimen. And this is a simple tensile testing machine. Finally, let's discover a sample workshop test about. This is the clamp, this is the deflection, this is the applied weights, and this is the specimen. This is a comparative test. The material to be tested is clamped to a bench. Weights are applied to the free end. The amount of deflection of each material is measured and compared with each other. Thank you everybody for watching the video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to put like and to subscribe to channel to receive all videos. Thank you and goodbye.